like a fry and cook down kind of vibe. Man, you know. Want some food?
Curry, brown stew, pork, chive and bean, brown stew fish ready.
What we are get? Cook food?
Yeah. Dumpling, banana, yam, sweet potato, pumpkin, cooked breadfruit, roast breadfruit, fried dumpling. See, a pumpkin soup, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah. And what we do this 7 days a week?
From Monday to Saturday.
What I get?
I have no idea.
No idea. Yeah? Alright, fix you up the rocket belly full. We are going 4.
Roast breadfruit, fried dumpling.
Alright, so people, a long time I hear about that place here. I've been meaning to stop by for a while now. But you know, the time go already, I just say things. But we're there now, we're going to get some food. We'll get some food. How the boss say? The boss say me inspire him for good. Tell the people what you say a while ago.
You inspire me, man, but for the 100-year-old. Yeah, you take me off of 80 and put me 100.
Yeah.
See?
So 80 you need a plan for go?
Yeah.
Where you want to go 100 now?
100.
I say go, man.
When you reach 100, you come interview me.
Alright, cool.
See, that's what you say.
Yeah, man. So give me some food and make you feel good.
Alright.
Here one question I have for you. How you came up with this idea to start this restaurant, Jason?
I just inspiration.
See?
And you more time. And that's we're very spiritual. You know, like me tell you, we don't live by bread alone. And we don't fear no farmer life, but every farmer life can change.
Then?
Psalm 25 verse 14. Secret of the Lord is with the man that fear him. So God you fear and you know in secret.
See?
Understand?
Bless up yourself. Go and do what you do.
So,
Blessed love, fam. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love.
like they say, you know?
Yeah, man.
True food. Remember, Ecclesiastes 9 verse 18. Wisdom is better than weapons of war. And your first 4 weapons of war is your forehead, your teeth, your fist, and your kick. And if you have wisdom, you don't need to buck a man, bite a man, kiss a man, or kick a man. Use your wisdom and defeat it.
I see juice and some people, we have this look like a cane juice and we have pineapple ginger and all of them fanciness there. Yeah. So yes, we have a fried plant, fried dumpling and them kind of thing there. Roast breadfruit. Lift up the soup, you can see soup bubble. Lift up the soup pot for me there. Soup bubble up. Yeah. How long you know out there?
12 years.
12 years. And who started?
Me there.
So, you get the name Arawak because you're Indian and you just see it fit?
Yeah.
Sin.
Original Arawak.
Ah.
We escaped Columbus.
See it there?
We fight him off with roach and rat bad.
And what is your name?
Arawak.
No, what you name?
Arawak.
You just name Arawak?
Arawak.
Sin.
Yeah.
Alright, my boss. People may explain something to you. You know, so your food tastes good when you enjoy your own food. See it there.
That's all.
Yeah, man.
Original native food, you know?
Ah. So me still want you live to 100 now, because when 100 me still want to come interview you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool. Alright, blessed love, family.
Alright, respect and thanks.
Yeah, man, blessed love, man.
Yeah.
Alright, give me the chicken with the breadfruit and some plant and see the people. Roast breadfruit nice soon in the morning here. Original country vibes. And them something I will grow up on. Yeah. Why them, yo, you're good in a bread after the Wi-Fi, you know? Yo, them say if you can't take the heat, come out of the kitchen and me I tell you, say, man, oh, this a fried chicken. See it there. And you may ask what the plastic bag for with the water. It is to keep away flies, because flies don't like to see the reflection. So this always works. Some people cut green bush and them thing there. Let me know you drink one of that, man. I'm gonna get one of that. Alright. So yes, so now we have roast breadfruit, plant where you don't teep out some plant already, but that's where you go. And we have fried dumpling. We're going to go and eat some food. It's going to be a long day. Arawak Restaurant, Hanover, and upon the other side of Hanover. If you're driving from Savlamar to Montego Bay, is on that stretch of road. Where name? Eastern Hanover. Okay, so there you go. I'm not know say what Hanover want Eastern, but sure. What day we come? 6. Which day you close?
Sunday.
Oh, Sunday you rest day?
Yeah, God take 1 day, God say visit the people.
Oh, so God take 1 day, say I take 1 day too?
MRS too.
At you, man, I bat on your burn out.
Yeah.
Yes.
I will take holiday like everybody else.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, we don't want holiday.
Ah, so then don't own on holiday then, don't own on Sunday because they don't want to burn out the pot bottom. Man say the pot them want to rest. They're going to some food. All the aisle?
Fire.
Oh, the fire want to rest too?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, the boss. And the man say, about, as a matter of fact, you're there for over 30 years. Right, yes, so?
In the year of 32 years, but it's going for 12 years.
Oh, this is 12 years, but you're in the year of 32 years. Okay. Original Arawak, show them the man. And him say fight out Columbus with
Rat bat and
roach.
we don't like table and rate our pan and him turn back.
Yeah.
I remember Selassie fight Muslim with bees.
Yeah. Jamaica is possibly the only place you go get brown stew chicken, steamed fish, roast pork, and them there's something there for breakfast. Whatever you eat at Jamaica for breakfast, you could eat for lunch and dinner too. But I guess the story behind it is, back in the days when the people them, they have to go out in the fields, they have to make sure their belly full because they don't know where their next meal come from. So that's where dumplings and them kind of thing they come from. It keep you full for a long time. And it just forward down in a tradition. Yeah, to the world. In there have a real coconut, man. You think a coconut not back there?
No, man.
Now we go.
But you know, a two food you serve you in.
Yeah.
Matthew 10 verse 28.
Yes.
Fear not the man that kill the body, but cannot kill the soul.
Right.
Body and soul. Dumpling and chicken, the body, flesh and bone.
Yes.
Matthew, your soul.
Yeah.
Two food.
Two food.
Body food and soul food. You care how much breadfruit and chicken you eat. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
Still a go powder back up.
So the soul food better than the body food. So when you eat your rice and peas and your chicken, have you eat 2 salmon and 2 carrots?
Blessed man. Arawak himself. Yes. Yeah man. I give me one jelly for wash it down too.
Yeah.
You know you're not getting them coconut no? Okay. Come here, you have to brighten up your eye them. So people are going to eat some food. Arawak Indian, Eastern Hanover. Me never know say I saw Hanover, I think of Westmoreland. But that's where you go. Anyway, go with the camera and I'm going to wait. One thing I strongly disapprove of is people drinking jelly water out of straw. Coconut fit, what straw they go? Where the straw? Coconut fit take up and put your head and drink. You want some coconut? So people are the perfect example this year. I drink coconut out of straw. I not even know what kind of style that. How I food?
I'm good, man.
I'm good. Food I'm good.
Tough door.
Are you too much? The breakfast. You know tell about Jamaican breakfast, man. Jamaican breakfast come like a 1 3-course dinner. I know you are wasting food because you all like bread food.
Says. But what is this, Jackson?
It's chai palm bean.
Alright, so now cook bread food, yam, come food. Alright,
Yeah, the Irish, huh?
See,
Last item.
They were going to simmer down here now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they can't steam, you know.
See it there.
Alright, so now here is 2 pork cuts now. See there? Well simmer down and everything.
Yes, I. So how long now you there on yourself?
No, sir, just few months now coming on a new staff, but I like the vibes. And everything good, you see me?
Yeah, man.
They're welcoming the open heart and everything.
See it?
I tell you, the vibes is right, man.
Blessed love.
Yeah.
Fireman, how long now you there on here?
For 4 years now, man.
Real. How the vibe?
Good, man.
See it?
Yeah, man.
It look like it's a family thing. I like it.
Yeah.
See it? Original Jamaica chai and bean.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Real curry.
Original Indian curry.
Yeah, man.
So what is your name?
Me, Biggs, otherwise Orieni.
Alright. See, what you name my boss? Bishop. How long are you there now? 10 years or more. That's it. And again, people them open 6 days a week, not on holidays. Holiday are for them, but them chill. See, because the man said the pot them want to rest, the fireside want to rest, and the man them want to rest too. So Sunday are for them and holiday are for them. But every other day and them, what time will you start at morning time? 6:30. 6:30. See?
Saturday morning, making Saturday, November 24, the year 2023.
Where's the one here? Again, people, Arawak Restaurant on the east side of Hanover. And let me show you that street that's now. So if you now come from south side of the dung, there so. See? And if you now go Montego Bay out the dung, there so. See? We're right now the middle, yes sir. Boom. 6:30 every morning, food starts serve. It just running real authentic Jamaican street food. The food name good, me not telling no lie. We just eat some of the brown stew, chicken at the morning with some fried breadfruit, roast breadfruit, fried dumpling, fried plantain, drink a jelly coconut to wash it down. And it's a vibe. Me like it. Me like it. So if you ever there at Jamaica or you ever there on the west side and want some real food and just feel like you want left out of Negril, left out of Mobay, I'm probably about 30 minutes out of Mobay. And it's maybe an hour drive from out of Negril, 45 minutes. So I don't know, far place and you're going to love it. So just take a little drive out, come check the man them. Yeah, that's up there. Yeah, man. So what's your name, Daddy?
My name is Edgerton Thompson.
Edgerton Thompson.
Yeah.
And how long are you there foot?
I'm about going 3 years now.
I was seeing. Like a tester.
Yeah.
You test the food when you say I'm good.
You turn up the stove and turn it on.
Alright, turn up and show the people how you turn up the stove.
Turn up the stove. Turn that to the floor. Yeah. Turn that to the floor.
Okay.
So the rice and peas cook now, just pull
You
it on.
turn on the stove?
Yeah, turn it on.
Alright, that man. Yeah. So you're going to eat some food now?
Yeah. Yeah, you here.
Home style. So your own style this year?
Making it in my plate.
See? So it's like a fry and cook down kind of vibe. See it there. So my brother, thanks to the food. Food I'm good, me not tell you no lie. Yeah man, blessed love man. And go on the way you do. Yeah. I remember so when you turn 100 me I come check you. See it? Yeah man. You have to make it. Me I tell you say you gonna make it. Word sound of power, you know. Yeah man. Exactly. See it?
Set yourself and goal.
Right.
See me in our life.
Yeah.
Understand? You whatever you do, you do clean hands and pure heart.
Alright people, Jamaica Uncut, Arawak Restaurant, East Hanover. Remember, real authentic street food, wood fire something, Dutch pot something, ashes from pot side something, brown stew chicken in the early morning with cooked dumpling or roast breadfruit and any kind of something they seen. Now if you have not yet done so, hit the subscribe button, me no know now, wait pan. As we travel around Jamaica and show you nothing but real authentic Jamaican vibes. Little more.